Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Edge blocking downloads. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to open up Edge, select the three dot icon on the top right and select settings. On left side select privacy, search and services. On right side scroll down. Under delete browsing data, select choose what to clear and uncheck everything except cached images and files. Select this drop down and select all time and select clear now. After getting done, you just need to scroll down. Under security, you just need to disable two options guys. So one is Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, just to disable it. Another one is block potentially unwanted apps. After disabling both options, you just need to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side select app browser controller. On right side reputation based protection, select reputation based protection settings. In here check apps and files, just disable this, select yes and disable it. And now you just need to scroll down. Under potentially unwanted app blocking, make sure it is turned off. After doing it, now just to close stuff here. Now you can able to download in Edge without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.